for more Unity tutorials on Technivore. It's Technivorous here. We're going to get into implementing the rest of our bullet functionality here. It's basically going to allow us to reload and stuff like that. Got a couple things to dial in, and then we'll kick it over to the next video where we'll be doing raycasting and doing some actual shooting. So we're going to go ahead and hop right into it here. And the first thing I want to do, let's see if I can, hey, we're functional today. Alright, so I'm going to go into my script. Okay, now this is a little hard. I'm going to make it a little smaller, and I'm sorry for that, but I need to see the scope of what I'm doing here. So, alright, we got a couple other variables up top here I wanted to use. You know what? Let's do this. Let's no. Yeah, we'll keep going. Let's continue on the path we were on there. Alright, so this variable, bullets left, if it's above 0, it will take a bullet out there. If not, we need to reload. So what we need to do is we need to create a pop-up, one of those prefabs I was talking about, and we'll have it pop up when we're out of bullets. Okay, so I'm going to go in here to my HUD, into my canvas actually, right click, I don't know why my computer wants to be so slow. Alright, we're going to go back down, add another TextMesh Pro text. In fact, no, I don't want to go through all the settings and get them exactly the same, so copy and paste that into the canvas. We will rename, we're going to rename this pop-up. Reload, don't need the exclamation point. Okay, so we'll move this to center of our screen here. We're going to change the anchor to center, and I'm going to make it say reload. Alright, so we don't need to mess with the tag, and we're actually gonna make this untagged, because otherwise it will change this with the bullets and we won't get what we want. So the reason we don't need to mess with the tag is because we're gonna go into our prefabs folder, create another folder, because we like to keep it organized. Call that one GUI. I'm gonna grab my pop-up and I'm gonna pop it right down there. Alright, the other thing I'm going to want to do to make this pop-up work properly is I want to add a canvas tag and add my canvas, or add that tag to my canvas. Save, canvas, add tag. Okay, you'll see why in a little bit here. And then the other thing we need to do, and I actually should have done this before we saved our prefab, is create a C# script called pop up. Okay, gotta let it do its magic where it creates the file, saves it into our directory, all that business. That's it today, Junior. I say that a lot because I think that a lot. There we go. Okay, so I have pop up. Put it on my pop-up. Still can't add, still compiling. Let's try again. I have no patience. Third time's a charm, nope. And well, you know what? Screw you, I gotta open it anyway. Kind of working backwards here because I forgot that we needed to have this script on there before we saved our prefab. So since I'm not altering the prefab in the prefab folder, I'm altering the one in the scene. It's not making any changes to the one in the folder, so we'll need to readjust when we're done. Okay, so pop up on start. We're gonna give this thing an integer called lifetime, and we'll make it about 30. let's make it 300. This I'm not exactly positive of the timing here at the moment. So, and then on update, we're gonna go lifetime minus. Okay, no matter what, there's no condition to that. Every time it updates, it's gonna lose life. Now, we're gonna make a condition that says if lifetime is less than or equal to 0. We need game object pop up. Yes. And then pop up equals instantiate. Oh, sorry about the little hiccup there. I had my phone ran out of space. I had to clear up some space, so get right back into it. So we have our instantiate. Instantiate means to create. So we're going to take our prefab and we're going to use that load resources method I showed you here. So resources dot load. All right. Now this method is going to go immediately into. You can see here, I don't know why I pointed at the screen, it's asking you for a path. So it's going to immediately, that path is going to start at the resources folder, which we have. So after that, I need to find the exact folders. So we're going to say slash prefabs slash GUI slash, what did I call it, pop-up? Pop-up dash reload. Okay. Okay. So that's our prefab. Okay. As game object. Okay. So now we have our pop-up. For some reason right now I'm kind of hesitant about whether or not we need this backslash, but I'm going to leave it there because I believe that we do. I might have to take that out. Alright, there we go, back in the proper line order. So, we have our pop-up. Now, it's instantiated, but it's not actually going to show up on the screen yet, because if we pop it up, it's going to show up way down and to the left, I believe. Because of the way that canvases work. So what we need to do is say canvas equals game object dot tag, find game object with tag, and canvas dot get component. It's a lot of canvases we type in there. Okay. So now I have a variable for canvas. I want to say pop-up dot transform dot set parent, and then I'm going to enter canvas dot transform, and I'm going to say false. Okay, if you don't leave that false in there, it's not going to show up in the right spot. We can actually take it out and I'll show you in a minute, but let's see if we got it right. All the stuff I'm showing you now is stuff that I've done repeatedly in several different games over and over again, stuff that I'm doing off the top of my head. So there might be a couple things wrong with the syntax. I might have to double check a couple things, but for the most part, you'll get the gist of it. So I need to add that. We need to go in here to our prefabs, GUI. We're going to destroy that because we don't want an enumeration, and we'll pull that one down here. Let's complaining about cyclic nesting. Alright, well. Make sure I put my script on it first this time. Okay. You shut up, sir. No, you shut up. Okay. Pop up. Alright, there it is. Pop-up script. Okay. Now, I need to go into prefabs, GUI, pull that down in there. Now, since this is only going to pop up when I run out of bullets, I also want to go to my player, change this variable. I'm just going to set it down to 5 for right now, and hit play. We'll see what happens. Pop-up logic is obviously not done yet. We're going to have that counter count down and destroy it. And move it. Hang on a second. So, start it over with that. Alright, now we got it pretty well centered. It's in the center. It's going to say reload. Okay. Now, yeah, see, this is what I need to change. The nice thing about the new Unity editor with the last update is that you can go in and edit the prefab itself, which is what I should have been doing. It's a newer feature, so I don't think about it sometimes, but okay. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go back to my scene. Get rid of this one. That way it only pops up when I'm out of bullets. Yeah, I got 5 left. 3, 2, 1, 0. It's going to go through the counter before it pops up. I'll have to adjust that too. Let's see what it's doing and why it hasn't popped up yet. Oh my goodness, okay, I did that completely wrong. We need to do this. Up here. And in fact, we'll just finish this. So when the lifetime runs out, we'll destroy the game object. I didn't instantiate until we were destroying it, and we weren't actually destroying it, but I just had that mixed up. Like I said, that's one of those things that it's easy to get jumbled around, even for somebody who does this a lot. Alright, we'll hit play again. I'll stop mumbling, and we'll see what happens. Should get nothing on the screen, should go back to my 5 bullets. Shouldn't get that pop-up showing up. And then, after we run out of bullets, it should pop up, flash, run its lifetime, and then disappear. And then we can adjust the lifetime, so. And what did I do? Not getting any errors, so it's grabbing the object, it's instantiating it. Oh yeah, another simple error. I didn't actually change anything just now. Okay, I'm out of bullets. Now when I click it, should instantiate it. and I'm not seeing it anywhere, so let's find out what we did wrong, shall we? Pull one into the scene. It's over there. Okay. Pull one into the scene as a child of the canvas. It's in the right place. So, why is it not popping up? On start, pop-up equals instantiate. Yep. You know what? We're going to take this. Oh wow, okay. You take that out. Bring it over here to player. We're going to put it right here. Because I'm a dummy. Save all. So, we also need to grab that variable. The reason it has to be in a different file is because the object can't instantiate itself. This is like the 4th video in a row I made for this series, and like the 10th video I made today, so bear with me. I'm going to take a little break after this so I actually start making sense again. This should work properly. My 3D printer is dragging filament in the background and making noise, so I'm going to fix that real quick. And we'll hit the play button. And hopefully it works out here. Okay, I'm out of bullets. And it's trying to instantiate. Now it's telling me it's null. So what I want to do, since I know that it's not null, just get rid of that backslash I was talking about. It's unnecessary. We'll try again. You know how annoying it is to find that backslash when you don't know why your object is coming up null? I mean, I've been stuck on that several times too, so. Okay, there it is. Reload, it'll wait its lifetime, which is substantially too long. I'd say by about 5 times, so going to pop up. We'll take this down to, let's say 60. Hit play again. Reload, reload, reload. Alright, that's working. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. I'm gonna go make it so I can reload. So let's go into our player script. We're gonna go into our input script. We're gonna say, and we'll actually, I copied that, but I'm gonna start a new one. Input dot mouse button down. This time we're going to use the right click for reloading, so that'll be number 1. We're going to say if bullets left and we're actually going to add one more variable, guys. Oh no, we already have it. We have clip size. Okay, so clip size is 22. So what we need to see is if bullets left is less than clip size, which means my clip isn't full, and we do need one more variable. Bullets total equals equals 99. So we're one below the max. We're still not hitting that threshold yet. And bullets total is greater than, we'll say, bullets total is greater than clip size, which means I have more bullets than a full clip. Clip size minus bullets left. This may seem a little complicated, but it'll make sense in a minute. The reason I'm doing it minus the amount of bullets I have left, I'm going to say bullets left equals clip size bullets total equals bullets total minus, and I put these in parentheses so it calculates that number first. I think that should be what I need. Although we're going to add something in here, a little more concatenation. And what we're adding is the clip size, so it'll tell you how many bullets are left in the clip out of the clip size. And then here, after a little space, we're going to put the bullets total, so you can see how many we have remaining. This should do what I want it to. Although I feel like I'm missing a line, but I'm sure we'll find it and add it later. Okay, bullets 5 of 22. I need to grab that in my UI here and actually widen it out. It was a little mushed. It was dropping the total down to the bottom, and I don't want that. So now 5 out of 22 in the clip. I got 99 bullets left. We'll fire off 5. Tells me to reload. So right click, 22 bullets. Yes, it's not subtracting. Okay. So bullets total equals bullets total minus bullets left. Should have said bullets. Minus clip size minus bullets left. So that should be right. It should reduce the bullets. Let's try this. There's another way to do this. Minus equals, which means subtract that from this. Let's see what I'm missing here. Script. It's telling me a script is missing. I'm going to ignore that. I've only got 3 scripts. Alright, reload. Still not taking down that 99. We'll figure that out in a minute here. Let's see what happens if I need to reload 7 bullets. That works as well. Okay, so we have a problem here with the bullets total. Saying if the amount of bullets I have left is less than the clip size, which means I can fit more in the clip, and bullets total, I have more than I need to fill the clip. Okay, and bullets left is the clip size. Okay, so this is actually a fairly obvious, another, like I said, stupid mistake. I was calling bullets left after it had been changed. It's clip size minus bullets left, 22 minus 22 is 0, so it's not changing this. So if I put it before that line, it should work. So we'll go test this out. I'm fairly confident it'll work. That'll be the end of this video. Got a little long. In the next video, we'll throw a couple things together for the ray casting and start actually shooting stuff. So let's see here. Alright. Reload. Reload. Okay. Reload. There we go. My bullet counter's working. So, down to 17. Alright. That's working pretty well. I can reload just the amount that I need. There is another condition, though. So, 19. Take it down to 3. It won't let me reload because I don't have enough bullets. So we're gonna do else if. So if bullets less is left than clips. Excuse me, if bullets left is less than clip size, and bullets total is greater than clip size minus bullets left. We're going to change this to end bullets total is greater than 0. And we're just going to say bullets total equals 0. Bullets left equals bullets total. And again, now these are in the wrong order for this condition, because if I were to go through with this, it would always be 0. So I want to move that to after down here. Go ahead and reduce the number of bullets so we run out faster, because this video is about a half hour long now. We'll put it at 20 and hit play. Alright. It let me reload all of my bullets, and now it won't let me reload because I'm out of ammo. And it's just going to keep popping up reload. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial, guys. I can't wait to start the next one. I'll probably be starting it here in about an hour or two, because I do need a little break. My eyes are getting weary, if you can't tell from squinting at the screen. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. I really need subscribers. I really appreciate the support, guys. If you want to see more videos, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop me a comment down below. I have some ideas about where this is going to go, but it's still really all up to you. So thanks, guys.